Good morning, children. Welcome back to English class. Okay, in previous class we have completed character sketch, right? How to write character sketch and what the need to write the character sketch. Okay, we have written character sketch for two characters. What are those characters? Tell me. Theseus and Minotaur. For those two characters, we have written the character sketch. Hope you all have completed that page 74 in studio. Today, we are starting our grammar topic for this lesson. Okay, that is in studio volume 1, page number 75, children. 6.6 today we are seeing the PAP activity. Okay, see, in grammar topic what we are going to learn is past continuous tense. First of all, do you know tenses, children? Tenses, do you know how many tenses are there? 3 tenses. Okay, mainly how many tenses are there? 3 tenses. What are they? Present tense. No. Present tense, past tense, future tense. Okay? Present tense, past tense, future tense. Okay, tense means what, children? Tense is a word. It means time. Tense means what, children? Time. Okay, present means now what we are doing. Okay, prastutam gurinchi cheppedi. Okay, what is happening now, what we are doing and what we are talking about, okay, is called present tense. The completed actions, about completed actions if we are talking, about completed things if we are talking, that can be told as past tense. And the actions going to be done, the things going to happen, those can be called as future tense. Okay, 3 tenses are there. Okay, ఇప్పుడు జరిగేది, జరిగిపోయినది, జరగబోయేది. Okay, that means simply you can remember like how it is. Today is present, yesterday is past, and tomorrow is future. Now these 3 tenses is subdivided into 4 parts. These 3 tenses subdivided into 4 parts. That means, see, simple, continuous, okay, perfect, perfect continuous. Once again I am telling children, simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. Now you have to apply these 4 divided parts to these 3 tenses. Okay, each tense will get 4. Now let's say simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Okay, again past, simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. Once again for future, simple future, okay, simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense. Okay, each tense divided into how many parts? Subdivided into 4 parts. Okay, 3 into 4, 3 4s are 12. That means totally how many tenses we are having? 12 tenses. Okay, there are 3 tenses and each tense divided into 4 parts. Now totally 3 into 4, 12 we are having. In this lesson, we are learning past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. Okay, we will learn more brief about past continuous tense in our next class. Today, we are going with the PEP activity which we have got in this lesson. See, pep activity. Complete the sentences using the past tense form of the correct verb from the help box. Past tense form. That means the completed action. Verb means what, first of all? What do you mean by verb? Verb is an action word. Verb is a...
Clients.
Okay, that is verb forms. But here, first of all, mainly action. Verb is an action word. Now, actions will change according to the time. Isn't it? Now, I am write. Write is a action word. Write is a
Action
verb. Write. Now, I am writing. I am adding ing for the write because it is in present tense, writing. And I have wrote. Wrote and changed that write into wrote because the action is completed. I will write. I am adding will to that write because it is in future tense. According to the tenses, we have to change the verb forms. Okay, we have to change the verb forms according to what? According to the tenses. Okay, here past tense means what? What do you mean by past tense? The completed actions. Past tense means what?
The completed action.
Completed. You just remember like yesterday's one. Okay, yesterday or completed. Today morning also completed. Now we are in afternoon. Morning also completed. That means it will comes under what? Past tense only. Okay, now they have given in help box some verbs. With this help of these verbs, we have to write the correct form of the verb to the correct sentence. Okay, verbs ఇచ్చారు కదా, verbsని tense past tenseలో రాసి దానికి సూట్ అయ్యే సెంటెన్సెస్లో పెట్టాలి. Now first see the verbs. Write, fight, enter, help. Theseus dash the letter. Theseus dash the letter. Which suits here? Right. Right we have to write in the past form. Past form means what? Wrote. Very good. Wrote. W-R-O-T-E. Wrote. W-R-O-T-E. Wrote. Next. Theseus dash the maze carefully.
Entered the maze.
Enter. Enter past form.
Entered.
Past verb form entered. We have to add ed. E-N-T-E-R-E-D. Entered. Right completed. Enter also completed. Now Ariadne dash Theseus escape with a ball of string. Help. Help fast, verb past form helped. Right? Add ed. H-E-L-P-E-D. Helped. And next, Theseus dash with Minotaur.
Theseus fought with Minotaur.
Okay, fight. Fight we have to change in past form fought. F-O-U-G-H-T. Fought with the Minotaur. Like this you have to write, children. Once again read the sentences along with me. Theseus wrote the letter. Theseus entered the maze carefully. Ariadne helped Theseus escape with a ball of string. Theseus fought with Minotaur. Okay, children. Like this you have to complete. And you may get doubt. See here, all verbs are same. Sometimes we are adding ed for that verb to change the form, and sometimes we are changing the word fully. Okay, that one we will see in our next class, children. Verb forms also I will tell, and once again I will go with the introduction part of the tenses in next class. Okay, in next class we will go remaining part of the grammar also, children. Okay, this is about today's English class. Thank you.